I asked 3 A-star holders in physics for their advice, and here is what they said. I asked them 3 different questions. What was their unique strategy while studying? What would they recommend for the last 3 months of preparation? How did they do their final preparation? I will share the best answers for each question based on their responses. Number first, what is their unique strategy while studying? Clear the foundations and basics. Make sure your concepts are so clear that you can explain them to someone without a science background. All of them recommended solidifying their basics either through teachers or by using websites and YouTube to quench their thirst of knowledge. One of them said a particularly interesting strategy: make short notes at the end of each chapter, including formulae and important definitions. Highlight the things you often forget and revise them frequently. Number 2. What would they recommend for the last 3 months of preparation? All of them gave similar answer for this question. It is crucial to understand that 3 months is a very short time and you should use every single minute wisely. Here is a brief idea of what you should do in chronological order. Complete the syllabus, revise your notes, complete topical practice, complete past yearly exams. Number 3, the $1,000,000 question. How did they do their final preparation? I asked this question to help students who are confused about how to start their revision. Here is the best answer. Make sure you have checked the syllabus thoroughly because the question will be based on it. Be clear about which expression will be part of the derivation and which will not. Prepare a checklist for every topic. Next, move on to topical and yearly exams. Ensure that you have already marked the confusing and hard questions. Sometimes technique matters more than concepts, and these must be marked accordingly. Revise them quickly and be aware of them every time you solve another yearly exam. Lastly, my personal opinion, I believe each and every answer included from their views is practical and result oriented. Any student can achieve this provided they are willing to invest their time. Thank you all for making it this far in this video. Please subscribe for more educational content like this. Also, don't forget to like the video if you found it valuable and comment if you want a detailed video on 3-month planning.